This is the unboxing of a smart padlock from BoxLock.com. I just purchased and just received it. Let's check it out. Okay, what we have here is the smart lock itself. Put this to the side. Let's check what else we have here. It's a pamphlet, getting started. Let's just read what it says. It says download BoxLock mobile app for Android or iPhone. Container works with any storage receptacle that can accept a padlock. Configure BoxLock. Connect your BoxLock to Wi-Fi. Effortless tracking. Set up your BoxLock app to automatically collect tracking numbers. You have USPS, FedEx, UPS, Amazon, Logistics, and I believe DHL. Some FCC information. That's your master code. Comes with a micro USB charger. Let's check out the lock. This is nice and heavy. This is where the driver scans. If you press this button here, first you have to link it with your Bluetooth. Then you also download the app to Android or iPhone. Press it once, the driver scans the barcode on any package, and it opens the lock. I already went ahead and downloaded the app, so let's test it to see if it opens. Right now I have it locked. Just hold on to the icon. Searching over Bluetooth. Tap to unlock. Confirm unlock. Yes. Verifying. That's it. That's how simple it is. Unlocked. So this is a cool device. I bought it to secure my packages from being left in front of my house. No one could steal it. So thanks for watching.